Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the experiment 10 in system software compiler design. The name is intermediate code generation. Aim to write a program to convert the given arithmetic expression to three address codes. Description: the compilation process can be divided into a number of subtasks called phases, and intermediate code generation is one of the phases of the compiler. Once the systematic constructs are denied, the compiler can generate object code for each construct, but the compiler creates an intermediate form. It helps in code optimize and also make a clear cut separation between machine independent phases. Lexical syntax and mission department phases optimizing code generation of one form of the intermediate code in a parse tree. Parse tree may contain variables as the terminal nodes, a binary operator which have a left and right branch for operand 1 and operand 2. Another form of intermediate code is a three address code. Now, if has got a general structure of A is equals to B or OPC, where A, B, and C can be names uh, address code. It has got general can be names, constant, temporary names, etc. OP can be of any operator. Postfix notation is at another form of intermediate code. Algorithm get an expression as input, scan the statement from left to right, frame new statement such that it performs one operation at a time, either assignment or arithmetic or relation operation. Display the new state of statements. Sample input and output. Input should be a plus b minus c minus d. Output should be t1 is equals to a plus b, t2 is equals to t1 minus c, t3 is equals to t2 minus d. And let's run the program. And running the program. Print n my name and registration number. Import re. J is equals to 1, r is equals to operators o plus minus star slash x is equals to input, enter expression. M is equals to re split plus minus and the operators comma x. Define composition m comma j. But vote in m if vote in op y dot append join m 0 is to 3 m dot pop 0 m dot pop 0 m 0 is equals to t plus string j plus is equals to 1 return m comma j, while then m less greater than 1 less than 1 greater than 1 m comma j is equals to component m comma j. K is equals to len y dot reverse. For I in range 0 comma k, printed t plus string k is equals to plus y I. K is equals to k minus I 1 and run the program. A plus b minus c minus d, and the sample output has given, the sample input has given, and the sample output has came. T1 is equals to a plus b, T2 is equals to T1 minus c, T3 is equals to T2 minus d. And thank you guys by watching my video.